Hi everyone and welcome to TechStream's YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to set the side volume buttons to change the ringtone or alert volume on iPhone 14. So now as default, when you can only use the side volume buttons for media only. You can't change the volume of your ringtones and alerts by the side button, but you can do that by enabling an option in the settings app. So for that, go to settings app, tap on sounds and haptics, and here under sound, under ringtone and alert volume, you have change with buttons. Simply enable it. When you enable that option, now you can change the ringtone and alert volume using the side volume buttons. So that's it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.